Washing out the window air conditioner. Does anybody else do that? It gets all kinds of algae grown inside the cabinet. She's stuck over there. Everything's sealed in there, so I don't think it can hurt anything. Because it's designed to splash water around onto the motor and condenser to keep it cool. Just don't want to get the electronics in the front wet. And it'll air dry, completely dry, and it'll never know that it was ever wet. Works best upside down like that. Some boogers in there that doesn't want to come off. And there's what came out. Seaweed. Now it's nice and clean.